This is Storm Track 12.
Ahead of some storm systems, you can just feel the moisture building outside, and that is exactly what we have today, as we're going to see plenty of rainfall later on. The other thing you can feel is that wind pretty much almost blowing you around at this point. South-southeast winds up to 28 miles an hour steadily at the Binghamton Airport, and again, we're still seeing gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour. Check out those current temperatures. We have warmed up into the upper 50s and lower 60s. And again, another sure sign that we're going to see some active weather later on today. And look at these wind speeds again. We're talking about 25 to 30 miles an hour sustained in some locations, gusting up to 40. But notice back to the west, they start to die down as the rainfall gets here. So the wind will be ending later this afternoon, but that is when the rain starts. Again, there's that band of the heaviest rainfall that is just streaming up from the south, and it's still moving very slowly off to the east. So this rainfall is just on our doorstep. The shower is now entering into far western Tioga and also down into Bradford County, but there is a clear dividing line. The rest of us have stayed rather dry as we've gone through the morning and into the early afternoon now. So again, as we continue on, that rain is going to enter into the western counties this afternoon, arrives right after sunset for our eastern counties east of Interstate 81. And still, the trends for rainfall are in our favor. If you are east of Interstate 81, they remain on the lower side, but that still does not mean we're out of the woods just yet. Still going to see that wind threat this afternoon, and flash flooding is still possible through the entire area as we go throughout the overnight hours. So check it out here on Future Track. Again, scattered showers possible east of Interstate 81, but there's that steadiest line of rainfall. It finally starts to arrive as we get further into the evening around 6 o'clock, and it sets up shop again right through Tioga, down into Bradford, Susquehanna, and far western Broome County. Eventually, everyone sees that steady rainfall as we approach midnight tonight, and it quickly, though, exits as we get into the early morning hours Friday, and we're looking better as we head into Friday morning and afternoon with just some lingering showers around. But still, that rainfall forecast, nothing really has changed. Again, the trends remain in our favor thus far here. Again, we're likely to see 1 to 2 inches further back to the west, and those are the areas that could see some flash flooding. These are the values that it would take in 1 hour to cause flash flooding. So we're expecting 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Only would take 0.7 to cause that in Tioga County. So we're still watching, again, for that potential for flash flooding as we go throughout the day today. Rain arrives in our western counties, drier to the east for now, and we're staying windy the rest of the afternoon here today. But that steady rain is here later tonight. We'll see it heavy at times as well, and that could lead, again, to some areas of flash flooding in the smaller streams and creeks. Again, lingering showers tomorrow, but after that, thankfully enough, sunshine does return for the weekend and early next week. Let's send it back to Michelle.